Welcome to MaidCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
I'm Michelle Cruz Mendoza, and I'm a Filipina.
What kind of job are you looking for?
I'm looking for any job. I can be a caregiver, and I can take care of the children and the adults as well.
What is your visa situation?
My visa is a tourist visa.
Okay. When will your tourist visa expire?
It will be expire on November 3.
And is it still extendable for another month?
I extended it already for a month because I came here in Emirates last September 5. So I extended already for a month. So it will be expire on November 3.
Okay. In which cities and countries are you willing to work?
I'm willing to work in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, but in any places it will be okay for me as long as I can find a good job appropriate for me.
Okay. Tell me something about your work experience or your last job. What was your last job?
My last job was in the Kingdom in Saudi Arabia. I worked there as a nurse for 15 years. To be exact, I was there last August 28, 1998, and I worked for one polyclinics, and the second was Security Forces Hospital, one of the biggest hospital there, and I worked there as a nurse.
So how long have you been working as a nurse in Saudi?
It was 15 years.
15 years, okay. Why did you leave the job in Saudi Arabia?
Because now it's Saudization now there, and they are trying to remove some of the Filipinos or some of the expat gradually. And on my situation, it happened that I was with my daughter, and they are not accepting any dependent anymore. So that's why I decided to resign, or I mean to finish my work there.
Okay. What are your salary expectations?
My salary expectations is 3,500.
Okay. Which qualities do you have to ask for 3,500 monthly salary?
Because I'm a registered nurse, and of course experience-wise, for 15 years, I know how to work in different areas already, and I know how to take care of the children, the adults, and all the ages.
Okay. Are you single or married?
I am married. As I've said before, I have 12 years old. I have 12-year-old daughter, and she's in the Philippines now.
Who's taking care of your daughter?
She was now with her cousin in the Philippines with the parents-in-law of my sister-in-law. I mean the parents of my sister-in-law.
Okay. Which activities do you perform with kids?
What do you mean different activities?
Yeah, activities with the kids, for example.
Yeah, for the activities, I know everything about the therapeutic approach, like playing. Of course, I can teach them. I can help them in the school, and also I know how to take care early morning because I know the routine. I can give her a good bath, and also after that, after I can give her the exact time, or I can teach her that there is a certain time for this thing, for watching TV, and also I can tell her that after that, okay, we have to study your lesson, and after that, I can manage the things to her according to the good time. I know how to teach everything to her, not only for the educational, but also about health matters as well.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do to calm him down?
It depends on the children. So it's me, actually me, especially me, we have a broad knowledge about child psychology. So it depends on what kind of children I am dealing with. And after that, I will know what kind of motivation I will do. Because in dealing with children, it's not only about how to give what he wants or what they want, but it's a matter of motivation. Motivation is the most important if you are dealing with the children. Because you should know, or you should give first the rapport. The rapport means that the trust between you and her. So after I give the trust to her, after that, I can give what she wants, what is the right thing to give to her. Not only what she wants, because there's a different kinds, wants and needs. So for me as a nurse, I know exactly what to give to her to satisfy her, not only emotionally but psychologically as well.
Okay, good. If the baby is crying, what will you do to calm him down?
As I said before, so the first thing I will do is, if she just needs a simple thing, okay, I can give it to her. If it will not give harm to her, I'll give it to her. And also the most important thing is to explain to her why, and also to ask her, because listening are the best thing to do to the children. I will ask her why she wants this, what she wants, and after that I'm going to give it to her. And after that, if it's not necessary to give to her, because I know very well that it will give her harm to her, I know very well how to explain to her.
Okay. If one of the children hurts himself, what will you do?
The first thing to do is to check her situation. If she's in harm, of course, I will give her the first aid. And I know very well how to give this first aid. But if she's just fine, I can cuddle her, I can carry her, and I can make her happy by asking what she wants.
Okay. How long do you envision staying in this job?
Well, the longer the better, because of course I want to work here for more than 5 years, 10 years. It's okay for me, no problem for me, because you know, as you know, I was used in working to other countries. It's not a problem for me, because I work in the kingdom for 15 years, and for 8 years I never went to for any vacation, because I'm not particular on going out of my workplace.
Okay. Are you in good health?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay.
I'm in good health.
Why should you be hired? If I'm the employer, why should I hire you?
Of course. Because if I will be with you, of course you're in a good hand, because you know I'm a certified nurse, and I can assure you that not only your kids but your house and all the family members will be in a good situation under my care.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies is just reading books and rarely watching TV.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time. Please keep your mobile phone on with you, as families will contact you. Thank you.
You're welcome.